Hey everyone, it's Mitch, one of the exercise physiologists here at BJC Health. It's June, it's winter, it's getting cold. I'm going to go through one of my favourite little workouts that you can do in the gym. Now it's a workout that's working one side of the body at a time. It's really important that we get the stability on both sides working individually before, as a whole, we're nice and stable. Now the cool thing about this workout is you only need one piece of equipment. It can be anything like a dumbbell or a kettlebell, okay? And it can make as hard as you want it to be. So you can do it nice and easy and gently and just go through it, or you can make it as intense and as fast as you want. So, kettlebell or dumbbell, first thing you're going to do, start on one side, do some deadlifts. So you do about 3 to 5 of these. You then go into a squat in an upright row. Again, 3 to 5 of these. Once you've come up to here, come into a front rack position, go for some lunges. Again, 3 to 5 of these, alternating legs, followed by overhead press, 3 to 5 of these. Once you've done one side, you then move to the other and repeat. You can do this for anywhere from 3 sets up to doing it continuously for 15 minutes. Again, you can make it as hard as you want. And that's one of my favorite workouts to do. So get moving, keep warm, and enjoy your winter. See you later.